Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Mahesh, and in today's video we will be discussing an essential concept in Salesforce that most of the people get confused with is basically null, empty and blank. So what are null, empty and blank? Understanding these terms is very crucial for effectively managing and working with data in Salesforce. So let's dive. Data is the core foundation of any Salesforce organization, and it is vital to keep it organized and clean. Null, empty, and blank are terms used to describe the state of data fields within Salesforce records. While they may seem similar, each term holds a distinct meaning and plays a significant role in data management. So let's go further and understand these three terms in very simple and straightforward manner. So if you can see this current screen, we currently have these three explained all together. So what is null? Null is basically when a variable is assigned a null value, it is basically there is no value assigned to that variable. All right, so that is called as null. What is empty? Now empty is basically a string value, but it doesn't have any characters in it, and also empty can be denoted by if the value has been assigned as null. All right, I'll explain it further when we actually see and execute that properly. What is blank? So blank is basically when there is an empty character into the string, and blank can also be null. Also blank can also be an empty string. So blank can be both of these three values. All right, now to understand it more better, what I've done is I've written some code below here. If you can see, my string 1 is actually been assigned a null value. My string 2 is actually been assigned an empty string value. If you can see, there is no space into this empty string. It is just only quotes. Now this my string 3 is basically an string but with a one space character in it. Now to actually get particularly what these three functions and how it works, we can actually, I have written some code in the debug statement as below. If you can see, we have checked the is blank function, we have checked the is empty function, is blank. So this three statements will clear all your doubts. So I'll just copy this and then go into my Salesforce account and then open developer console and execute this particular code into anonymous apex. Let's see how it works. Before that, we can actually derivate what exactly it can return. So let's say, according to this logic, if it is null, we are checking if the string is blank or not. As we have said that empty can be null also. So if my string is blank, it can be null also. So it will this will return true, right? So this can return true. Now the second statement it checks is for my string 2, and it checks if it is empty or not. Now according to this empty logic, if the string is actually 0 characters, all right, if the string is 0 characters or it is null, then it is empty. So if the my string 2 we are checking for empty condition, then in this case my string 2 doesn't have any characters in it. It is 0 characters, so it will return also true. So the first statement is true, second statement is true. Let's check for third statement. Now if you see this my string 3, it is checking for this is blank function. Now what is blank? Is blank is basically when there can be a white space character, and also it can be null, it can be empty also. All right, so let's check what is my string 3. My string 3 is basically, it's having an character, but it's a white space character, that is only a space character, so it is considered as a blank. So we are checking is blank, so this will also return true, right? Now let's check, all these three statements are returning true. Let's check what is the exact outcome. I'll just go to debug, open execute anonymous window, and then execute this particular thing. Let's see. I'll open the logs, check for debug only, and if you can see, all the statements have been marked as true. All right, so this is the simple way to understand what is null, empty and blank. So thanks for watching the video. Like the video and share with your friends. whoever is interested in this one, and we will be covering more topics in the coming videos. So thank you for watching my video, and keep subscribing channel. So see you next time. Thank you. Bye.